Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to bulk delete old Facebook post. So first of all, open your Facebook profile and click on manage post. Click on filters, select year, month and date and posted by. You can select any option from here. Privacy, select here all post. Tag get post, select all post and click on done. And then here you will get your old Facebook post. Now click on select all. Next, check this delete post option and click on done. And that's how you can bulk delete old Facebook post. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.